देख जमी कुछ भी करने का ईगो हर्ट नहीं करने का and I started laughing over there. Smriti is like my elder sister, and she actually calls me her small sister, and that's a bond we share. You know, it's more than friendship. I feel and it just we didn't have to force it to happen. I think the first time I debuted for India, we were room partners. That's where we got to know each other. We actually spoke a lot, and that's where the bond built up. And it is always nice to have someone who is. Like we share a really good bond. We take each other's case a lot. You must have seen that a lot even on social media. But I think more than that, the care and concern we have for each other, I think that's what defines our bond, because I really wanted to do well always. She always wants me to do well and things like that. So yeah, and I think memorable moments, we've had a lot of them. But I think there's this one partnership that in New Zealand, Smriti and I had, we were having a really good partnership. I think first game we had a 190 run partnership against New Zealand in New Zealand, and she scored 100, I'd scored a 81 not out, and she'd gotten out. So then I'm like, Smriti, why did you get out and all? Because we needed 3 runs to win, she went to hit and she got out. Then I'm like, no, well played and everything. But then on that tour only, in the night we were talking, and something happened, and then she was like, तू कहाँ sweep तू कहाँ pull मारती है? Then I was like, तू भी कहाँ sweep मारती है? Then this conversation got over, and we were like, हाँ ठीक है, fine. Next game again we both were playing. Smriti comes across, sweeps one for a 6. Okay, and when I bat, I am in a different zone. I don't talk much. Otherwise, I talk a lot. When I bat, I'm like quiet and calm because that's what I feel helps me the most. She comes up to me. I had totally forgotten about our conversation. She's like, "देख जमी, कुछ भी करने का, ego hurt नहीं करने का." And I started laughing over there. Very next over, Tahu, who was bowling. She was at that time the fastest bowl, like 120, 125. And I pulled her off the front foot. And I went out to a full Josh. I'm like, कुछ भी करने का, ego hurt नहीं करने का. So I think that is one of the most memorable moments I've had with her.